About what?
I think I want to be a fisherman.
A fisherman?
Yeah. God told me to be a fisherman.
Then let's go get some fishing gear and go fishing then.
Hey. I like that.
There you go.
All right, guys. I think we're ready to go fishing.
We got the right clothes.
I got the fishing pole.
I have the bait.
Great. Let's go catch some fish. I'm so glad I decided to listen to God and become a fisherman.
This is so peaceful and relaxing.
Are you sure this is what God meant for you to do?
Yeah, something about this seems wrong.
How do you catch what's already caught?
I'm pretty sure God wanted you to go a little further and catch some fish out in the wilderness.
That might be right.
I guess it don't make much sense. The fish was for what's already been caught. Let's go catch some new fish.